Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So here is my revamped Gabby dollhouse. Took all the some of the stuff out of it and put some Easter candy in it. And this is Pocahontas Disney Princess basket. A couple of these I have shown you already, but I have finished the rest of these today. This is the LOL basket. And another LOL basket. This one has the smartwatch in it with the LOL glasses and some other LOL items. And then we have a Barbie basket here. I've done 3 of the Barbie baskets. 2 with the Barbie dolls and, well, 4 of the Barbie baskets actually. 3 Barbie dolls and 1 Ken and Barbie. This is our Hello Kitty premium basket. And these are premium and large baskets, with the exception of the horse basket here in the front. That one is one of my small baskets. And you can see the difference in the sizes of them and the contents of them as well. So tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting with Katrina.